And now please join me and see how to register the site and how to test the product. So first of all, let's navigate to cloud.oneidentity.com. Click sign into Starling. And first of all, you've got to register. Select your region. I'm going to select European Union. Now accept the GDPR privacy statement and type your email address. Okay. Click next and then fill the form. The organization name must be unique. So, like on-demand demo, fill my name and add some password. Just finally, I need to set up my mobile number. Accept the agreement and click start. Now you are going to get a confirmation mail. Just open the link and now you're ready to log in. Okay, I'm logged in. Let's start and test Safeguard On-Demand Starling Edition. So select the product you want to test, click Trial, select your country, add some information about your industry. Okay. And now the product is ready to deploy. But in this case, you have to configure the service. Click on the tile. You need to set up a deployment name. This URL is going to use to connect the service. Good. Select the type. It is going to be an empty environment. Select the connection type. Set up your region. Optionally, set up your DNS. That's not important right now, but you need to add your home IP address and your LAN network address. And now we are ready to deploy. Click Launch Deployment and wait until the system deploys your service. Until now, you can download the Quick Start Guide or have a cup of coffee. When the provisioning is done, you will see this incoming screen. On the upper corner, you can see the connection details, the two devices that is currently not available, a list of current activities, and you can manage licensing. If you want to invite collaborators from your company, from your team, just click here and you can invite other colleagues. And of course, we have got a dedicated tab for the activity listing. So first of all, you have to set up the root or the admin password of each device. So just click here and set up your password. Just save and wait a little bit. And now you can connect the device. At first, let's see the password manager. So click here. That's going to be opened in a new tab. Type your password and you can log in. What you can see is that this is a fully operational SPP device. However, you cannot set up your policy. The reason is because this user administrator has got no right to do this. Just navigate to Users, create a new user. As I mentioned earlier, Bootstrap admin is managed by one identity. So let's create a new user. It's going to be a local user. I use my name. That's enough. I set up a password. For demo purposes, you can use never expires this password, and I do not have to change it. And I'm going to add a full list of rights. And just OK, close the window. And when I log out, I can log in as a local user, type my password. And now I can manage my policy, create entitlements, manage assets, user groups, accounts, and so on. OK, now let's log into SPS. That's also opened in a new tab. The same password is used. And now you can log into SPS. What you can see here is that, as I mentioned, some of the menu points are missing, and the whole connection part is totally missing because connections, SSH and RDP connection is configured via the SPP side, not from the SPS side. It is recommended to use dedicated users and keep administrator for emergency situations or recovery. I have already configured Peter in SPP. So now I'm going to create a user in SPS, navigate to local users, click here, create a new user, and add to the administrator group. Click commit. And now make sure you log out the device, log out from SPP as well. I am logged out. And now I can disable root user login. And now our SPS and SPP device is fully secured. As you can see, deployment of Safeguard on demand is very easy. You only need to do a few steps and the whole service is ready to use. If you have any further question, feel free to contact One Identity. We are always happy to answer your questions.